Easiest way to see and know what this everything ether and everything is all about is to be a part of the journey. If you made it here, that's what's up. Thank you. Welcome. As you already know, I'm Stan, and I guess you would probably want to know, like, well, what is everything ether all about? One of the reasons that I chose to create a channel like Everything Ether is because this is one of the things that YouTube is based on. I'm trying to build a sale. What I'm actually doing is working on the next videos that's coming out. But anyway, yeah, this is just where I hang out and kick over thoughts. I create different things, and once the AI does what it does, I take those images and then take them to the next level and apply what I know about world history, different events that aren't going anywhere, that can't be speculated upon, that are just actual historical facts. I try to take these things and implement the knowledge that I have, and I try to implement that into a storyline that ties kind of into the pictures that I create with the AI. That's one of the things I'm learning. I want to create 3D art and video games because they really want everyone working from home. I mean, knowing and understanding that that's where we're headed and that's where we're going. I'm establishing myself now so that when Web3 comes and outdate us old heads or whatever, I'll have some footing in. So, first of all, if you're still hanging in there, thanks for just listening to the rants, because I want to introduce the story of Ethereum, and hopefully you guys will see growth in the videos. The crypto time travelers, right? That was like my first rough draft, and I mean, I came up with the storyline and wrote the story, and I used the ChatGPT to research and optimize it so that it would coincide with what YouTube is recommending at the moment. So that's what I used it for. ChatGPT, man, hats off to that right there. I'm learning that. Any video I do in the future, I can, or anyone will be able to sample, take, use any of the vocals without any interference. There'll be clean vocals for future use. I mean, the whole thing is public. Own nothing and be happy. It's not mine. So, because I used the ChatGPT, I was searching for things like what's going to be needed in the future, and the future is unpredictable according to ChatGPT. It stopped. Where does it stop? It stopped at the data. That's what's the most valuable thing in the world. Data. Everything runs on data, including any of our favorite cryptocurrencies. They couldn't work without the information that was generated by the nodes. So what's the most important thing out of all of this is the information, the data. I want to build a solid foundation of information that can be used.